The Tekno RC team have slowly been moving their entire lineup to the 2.0 platform, with various upgrades and tweaks keeping them up there as one of the best competition racing platforms available. When it comes to the short course truck arena, we've had the SCT410 SL, a lightweight alternative to the full-on SCT models, which turned out to be a real winner. Although if you're after the full-on Tekno SCT experience, then that's just entered the upgraded lineup too, with the Tekno RC SCT410 2.0. With various upgrades and tweaks, the SCT410 has been brought right up to date, making the truck quicker and more nimble around the track. With this model, Tekno have taken the popular SCT410 SL and then added some, with a feature set including a 4mm CNC machined black anodized longwear chassis, beefier shock towers with integrated braces, a hardened steel drivetrain which is ready for 1/8 scale power systems. Even the 13mm big bore shocks are fully adjustable, and there are a few new spring options too. And if that weren't enough, it's compatible with many of the parts and options in the NB and the EB48 2.0 range. We'll cover all these parts as we build this vehicle, although it should make for a great vehicle to add to any racer's arsenal, as its great performance, high quality, value and durability make it the go-to 1/10 scale short course race truck. As usual, inside the box we'll find everything we need to build the rolling chassis by constructing a bag at a time, each labelled in order. As we work our way through each bag, we build a little more of the vehicle, slowly attaching built parts together, at which point we'll have a complete rolling chassis. In typical Tekno fashion, alongside the kit bags we find the thread lock, black grease and the various fluids needed throughout the build, which we'll cover in more detail as we proceed, as well as a 4mm thick machined aluminum chassis and the decal sheet to accompany it. All pretty standard stuff, although note there is no body included with this kit, so you'll need to provide your own SCT body instead. When it comes to tools, you'll need a pretty standard set of RC tools to build the entire kit. Hex and nut drivers for instance, nothing really out of the ordinary here, although I would definitely specifically recommend the Tekno 1115 shock shaft pliers. We'll also need some turnbuckle wrenches. Specifically recommended is the Tekno 1103 wrench, which has 4 and 5mm ends, and the Tekno 1119, which is 5.5 and 7mm. Oh, and a hobby knife and needle nose pliers come in very handy too. All the fluids you'll need are included with the package, everything except O-ring grease that is, so we'll need some of that too, and that should cover us when it comes to everything we need to build the entire kit. All in all, as we'd expect from Tekno, everything really looks high quality here. We'll take a more detailed look at the contents of each bag as we proceed, although note that much of the build is the same as various other Tekno RC vehicles. But nevertheless, join me in the next video where we'll get started with kit bag A, the centre differential.